guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I'm still here, so that means I'm going into CVS because I need to get some walking on. So I'm going to share with you guys the deals starting I think it's May 20th through the 26th, I think are the dates that we're working with. So I'm just going to go ahead and head in, and I'm actually wearing the new CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast. So if you're all curious of how it performs on the lash, here you go. And I am wearing that First Aid Beauty tinted moisturizer. I will say it's nice, but it leaves your skin greasy. So if that's something that you're looking into purchasing, if you don't want your face looking oily, then I would definitely set it with a powder. So I thought I would just mention those two items because you guys asked about it. So now we're gonna go ahead and head into CVS. I also posted a video, I think on Thursday, talking about the coupon limits. So that's all I'm going to talk about with those coupon limits. So y'all should know that they are changing. I'm not going to give you guys a lecture on proper coupon usage because we just don't need to go through that again. So in the deals that I'm sharing with you guys, these are going to be based on one coupon because Sunday will roll around and we could get printables, we could get load to card coupons. But in these scenarios, if the limits say limit one coupon, then that's all I'm going to be sharing with you guys in the breakdowns. But in terms of like the L'Oreal deal, you could essentially buy your first set of L'Oreal shampoos on one day and then come back the next day because CVS does track. So if you wanted to do the cash card deal that I'll mention to you guys, which is all Priscilla, you could gradually go to CVS all week and just load up on Priscilla and use multiple coupons through multiple days. But I know that's a pain in the butt. But if you are someone like me who literally has a CVS across the street, maybe that won't be such a bad plan. Okay, so the first deal I'm going to share with you guys is on the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. So these guys are priced 2 for $8, and when you spend $15, you're going to get a $5 extra hair buck. So what you can do is buy 4 of them for $16. Then you can use one of the 4 off 2 coupons coming in the Red Plum 520. And if you printed those L'Oreal Elvive 2 off 1 coupons, these were from a while ago, so check your printable stash, but these are 2 off 1s, and there is, it says a limit of 2 identical coupons. So I can use 2 of these printables and 1 of the insert, and that's how I'm going to be able to take $8 off. So final cost would be paying $8, but then you get $5 in extra hair bucks. So final cost is 4 for $3 or 75 cents each. So hopefully you guys still have those printable coupons. If not, check your CVS apps and of course coupons.com. Llewellyn, Savvy Coupon Shopper, she always posts a very early printable coupon video, as well as Myra from Amazing Teppy, and Designer Jen does as well. So if you're looking for early printable releases, then make sure you're subscribed to their channels because they will alert you guys for the printable coupons. Okay guys, so we have a pretty decent deal on Dial body wash. So they are priced 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $2 extra hair bucks. So you're going to buy 2 of them up front for $8, and then if you still have those buy one get one free coupons, you buy 1 of the body washes, and then you're going to get the foam hand soap for free, or you can do the 2 to 3 pack bar soap. So you're going to pay $8, so you're going to get all 4 of these for $8 because the hand soaps are going to ring up free twice, and then you're going to get the $2 extra care bucks. So now we're doing 2 for $6, and we have a Saving Star rebate on the foaming hand washes, so you get $1 back when you buy 2, and there's also a $1 body wash Saving Star for Dial as well if you haven't used it yet. So if you combine all of your Saving Star rebates and this buy one get one free coupons, then you're paying $4 for everything, or just $1 each. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Regular price on the Dial body washes are $6.29. So really great deal on Dial. So hopefully you guys still have those CVS. So hopefully you guys still have those Saving Star rebates. Okay, so we have another cash card deal this week. So it's a mixed match of items. So we have some facial care, we have some household essentials. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start my cash card deal. So the first products I'm going to show you guys is from the Simple line. So what you can do is buy 1 of the Simple Moisturizing face washes. These guys are $8.49. And then go ahead and pick up one of the makeup removing wipes. So these are priced for $6.99, and then also this week they are buy one get one 50% off. So go ahead and buy 2 of those, comes up to $11.98. And then you can go ahead and pick up one of the Priscilla laundry detergents. This is the 40 ounce, so these are on sale for $4.99. And then you can go ahead and pick up one of the all detergents. These guys are priced for $2.99. Okay, and then lastly, you can pick up 2 of the 6-pack roll of Scott paper towels. These guys are on sale for $5.99. So your total is going to be $31.94. So now we're going to get into the coupons you need. So use one of the buy one get one free coupons for Simple. So when you buy one of the facial washes, you're going to get the cleansing wipes free. Depends on your store if they're going to take the max value off, but I'm just deducting $3.49, which is the buy one get one 50% off price of the wipes. All our stores are different, so I'm calculating just the $3.49. So you'll deduct $3.49, and then go ahead and use one of the 2 off 1 coupons from for the Priscilla in the 520 Red Plum, and then use $1 off 1 coupon for the all detergent, also coming in the 520 Red Plum. And then use 2 of the 75-cent off 1 coupons from the 520 Smart Source. You would pay $23.94, and then you're going to get that $10 cash card. So everything comes out to $13.94. So there could be some Saving Star offers that pop up. A lot of times when we have Priscilla deals, Saving Star will load a $2 coupon, and then if we get any load to cards or printable coupons, then you might be able to get some better scenarios. But I think all in all, for a facial wash, some wipes, 2 packages of paper towels, and 2 laundry detergents for $13.94. I think that's a pretty decent deal on the Noxzema shaving cream. So these guys are priced for $1.99 on sale. Regular price is $3.09, and we're gonna get $1 extra care buck when we buy 1. So that makes the final cost just 99 cents. So pretty good deal if you need some shaving cream. So we have a nice little deal on Coppertone sunblock. So Coppertone sunblock is buy one get one 50% off, and they're also buy 2 and get a $2 extra care buck. So go ahead and buy 2 of the Coppertone Sports. My store has these priced for $10.99, so one of them is going to ring up half price. So both of them are going to be $16.48, and we got a really high value coupon from the 513 Smart Source to take 6 off 2. So you would pay $10.48 and then get that $2 extra care buck. So final cost is $8.48 for both of them. So it makes them about $4.25 each, which is a great price for sunscreen. So this is definitely a good deal, and you're going to start seeing sunscreen deals all over the place because summer is right around the corner. Once Memorial Day comes, then all those sunscreen deals are going to start coming. So I think this is a really great deal. Okay, you guys, so this week Physicians Formula is on a spend 15, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So I always rave about this guy, so I will always promote it. It's the Healthy Foundation. So these guys are priced for $16.79 now in my store. So my price went up. It was $14.99, but now it's up to $16.79. So you would pay $16.79 and then get that $10 extra care bucks. So it's like you're paying $6.79. But if you get a makeup CRT, then this is going to be even lower. And you essentially could buy up to $20 if you got that 5 off 20 Physicians Formula CRT. So just keep that in mind also if you want to get something more expensive. Just use that 5 off 20 CRT to kind of balance the price out. Okay, so I am in the lonely OxiClean aisle because my shelf is completely wiped out, which I'm not surprised. So OxiClean is on sale again for $3.99, and we have those 3 off 1 coupons that are coming in this week's Smart Source. So final cost is just 99 cents. I had a feeling they were going to be gone today because our neighborhood gets this free newspaper on Fridays. So this coupon came in the newspaper, so it would have been a moneymaker if they had the detergent in stock, but they don't, so I'm not surprised that it's gone off the shelf. So hopefully they'll restock tomorrow, or I'll try another CVS, or I just don't need to get the OxiClean. Not a big deal because we get laundry detergent all the time, but yes, 99-cent OxiClean if you have that 3 off 1 coupon, so it just makes it 99 cents, no extra care bucks attached to it, it's just straight 99 cents. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight some grocery deals that I think are worth doing. So if you want to roll your extra care bucks into the grocery section, then I'm just going to give you a few ideas. So the Gevalia 12 cup K-Cups and also the McCafe 12 pack of K-Cups. These guys are priced for $4.99 on sale, which is great because the Gevalia is regularly $9.99, as well as the Big Cafe. So you're saving $5 on your K-Cups just with the sale price. And then check checkout 51 because I think that there is a rebate for the McCafe, but I'm not 100% sure. And then you can submit your receipts for groceries to Fetch. Well, you can even submit CVS receipts even if you're not buying groceries. If you just buy Physicians Formula, you can submit that Fetch receipt. So I did a video all about Fetch rewards, answering your guys' most frequently asked questions for Fetch rewards. So check that video in the description box because you guys gave me great feedback and let me know that it was really helpful for you. So I think $4.99 for a 12 pack of K-Cups is a great price. So great way to roll those beauty CRTs. So great way to roll those beauty extra care bucks into the grocery aisle. So another good grocery matchup would be on the Cheez-Its. So these are 2 for $4 or $2 a piece, but you need to buy 2 of them to get that 2 for $4 price. So Cheez-Its 2 for $4 this week. Also the Quaker granola bars, these guys are on sale 2 for $4. Ignore that tag because today's Saturday, so ignore that. But they are 2 for $4 or $2 a piece, which is great because the regular price when they're not on sale is $4.29. So you're getting 2 for less than the price of 1 of them if you bought a regular price, and you do get bonus points with Fetch on all Quaker purchases. Okay, so the Campbell's Homestyle and the Campbell's Chunky, these soups are on sale 2 for $3 or $1.50 each, but you must buy 2. Great, because regular price is $3.39, guys. So when you buy the 2 for $3 sale price, you're getting both of them for less than the price of 1. And Campbell's is also a bonus brand for Fetch as well. So Kellogg's Raisin Bran as well as Kellogg's Fruit Loops, these guys are on sale this week for $1.99, and we had a 50-cent off 1 printable coupon, which I don't think is available anymore, but check your printable stash and look for it because you can get these guys for $1.49. Okay, so the Chili's promo is back. So when you spend $50, you're going to get a $10 extra care bucks. So it makes this final gift card price mean $40 after your extra care bucks. So you can either go for the Chili's gift card or you can go for the one that has the 4 options because they're all under the same corporation. So I think that's pretty good, especially if you guys have a budget for eating out every week or maybe every month or something like that. This would be a really good deal to snack. Okay guys, so these are all the deals I have to share with you guys for CVS for the week of 5/20 through 5/26. So hopefully you guys are able to get those coupons, and again, check back to coupons.com and definitely check your rebate apps like Savings Star to see if we have any rebates to load for the Priscilla. And sometimes they even do it for the all as well. I thought that we were going to get lucky with that Ibotta rebate for all, but it's for fabric softener, not the detergent. So, and then check coupons.com, check your load to cards. Hopefully we get some CRTs to pair with some of these deals to make them a little bit better. But, you know, this is just how couponing goes. We're just going to have to work with what we're dealt with, and, you know, that's that. And at the end of the day, guys, it's just shampoo and laundry detergent. So it's not anything crazy. It's just shampoo and laundry detergent. It's just couponing. So I hope everyone has a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you all later. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I wanted to remind you guys that Jeff, Llewellyn, Ashley, and myself, we are doing a Ask a Couponer collab. So I have that video posted already. I'll leave it in the description box, but this is where you guys can go ahead and just ask your couponing questions. You can go to any one of our videos and leave a comment with any question you may have, because we are going to be answering those questions in June. So if you have not submitted your question, there's still time. You could even submit it in the comment section below of this video, and I will go ahead and add those questions to the main list that I have going on right now. So I will talk to everyone later. Bye.